Ma'am, there is a child in the class whose IQ level is 70. He is a slow learner. He also cannot be kept in CWSN. CWSN, children with special needs. So in many schools today they have rooms, special rooms for children with special needs, and they are given special accommodations there so that they can learn at their own pace. And the teacher says that's not normal either. So it's not normal to send a child with 70 IQ to a special needs is what the teacher thinks. What to do so that he learns quickly like a normal child? So, well, thank you for this question. So one thing that you're saying is the child has low IQ. Low IQ, yes, 70 is low or borderline IQ, but the normal IQ is between 90 to 110. So obviously the IQ is low, so he does come under the CWSN. So if you send him in the him or her in the CWSN class, and if the teachers there are trained how to work with a child who's slow learner, definitely the child will be benefited. But if you're insisting that no, I don't want to send this child in the CWSN and you want to do it yourself, you also can, as long as you learn those techniques. So instead of saying, how does this child read quickly like a normal child, it's more important to think and say that how do I improve the reading ability of the child every day. So there is nothing called, this is the bar. This is what is the bar for, this. The child can keep on improving every day. So you have to use lot of reading strategies. Before you do that, you have to identify the difficulty of the child. Does the child have difficulty with the size of the words? Does the child have difficulty with blending words? Does the child have difficulty when it sees a big paragraph? Does the child have difficulty with exclamation marks and punctuations, that's why not able to read? There are so many reasons. So first you have to observe what is the difficulty. Once you identify the difficulty, and then you start working on the reading strategies by making sure the areas which has difficulty you work on it first. Then the child will slowly start reading and he or she will improve every day. That's my guarantee. So don't ever compare it like a normal and not normal. Yes, improve when it's possible. There's no end to that improvement. Sometimes they go even beyond what is called normal. All right, so I'm talking from my experience. I'm talking from having worked in this field for 20 plus years, and I'm speaking from working in ground practically with children. And I have a lot of confidence in children's ability that if we know the right strategies, every child can improve in their learning performance. All right, thank you so much for watching the video till here. I am Bala Saraswati and I'm on a mission to help 100,000 children overcome learning problems by coaching parents and teachers. I have a separate program for parents and a separate program for teachers. You can join that program, and if you want to become an online tutor after you complete this course, you get students to teach online and you can earn the income of your choice. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.